When the house falls silent at night, it's not uncommon for cat owners to suddenly hear their furry friends making some bizarre sounds. If you've ever been startled by a mysterious meow, or a peculiar purr, coming from the hallway at midnight, you're not alone. Let's explore 6 reasons why your cat might turn into a little nighttime noise maker, and what those sounds could mean. 1. Hunting highs. Cats are natural hunters, and this instinct doesn't fade even when they move indoors. Domestic cats may replace live prey with toy mice or fluttering shadows, but the thrill of the hunt remains strong. At night, when the house quiets down and their senses sharpen, this predatory instinct can really kick into gear. As they stalk and pounce on invisible prey or perhaps a half-hidden sock, their excitement can manifest in vocalizations. These sounds can range from triumphant meows to frustrated noises if their prey escapes, providing an audible glimpse into their nocturnal adventures. This nightly behavior is not only normal but also beneficial for cats, providing them with a necessary outlet for their energy and fulfilling their instinctual needs. Owners might notice that the type of toys left out at night can influence the intensity and type of hunting behavior. Toys that mimic the movements of real prey, such as feather wands that move unpredictably, can especially trigger a more engaged response. It's these sessions of silent stalking punctuated by sudden bursts of activity that keep your feline friend mentally and physically sharp. So next time you hear a series of enthusiastic meows or a sudden scurry of paws at night, you'll know your cat is just embracing their inner hunter. 2. Nighttime zoomies. Just like dogs, cats can experience bursts of energy colloquially known as the zoomies, which frequently occur during the night when it's quiet and the rest of the world is asleep. During these episodes, your cat might unexpectedly dash around the house, leaping from furniture to furniture, all while making a variety of vocal sounds. This sudden burst of activity is not only normal but also a healthy way for cats to burn off stored energy. The vocalizations that accompany these frantic dashes, ranging from meows to almost chirp-like sounds, are just part of the excitement and fun for them. These nocturnal antics, though potentially startling for sleeping owners, serve important physical and psychological purposes. The zoomies help keep your cat in shape by providing a quick, intense workout that utilizes many of their natural hunting and evading maneuvers. Additionally, this behavior can help alleviate boredom and reduce stress, keeping your cat mentally stimulated even when they're primarily indoor pets. As a cat owner, understanding this behavior can help you appreciate these outbursts as more than just random noise and chaos but as essential aspects of your cat's well-being and happiness. 3. Attention seeking. Believe it or not, your cat might be making noise simply to get your attention. Some cats learn that meowing or making noise at night can bring their favorite human stumbling out of bed to see what's wrong. Whether they're bored, hungry, or just want some cuddles, these clever creatures quickly learn which buttons to push to get a reaction. This nighttime communication can range from persistent meowing to knocking items off surfaces to ensure they capture your attention. This behavior is especially common in cats who have learned that their vocalizations lead to immediate attention or rewards from their owners. For instance, if a cat meows and subsequently receives food or playtime as a response, they're likely to repeat this behavior whenever they seek similar outcomes. It's important for cat owners to understand this dynamic because unintentionally rewarding such behavior can reinforce it, leading to more nocturnal disturbances. Establishing a routine that includes playtime and feeding before bedtime might help mitigate these noisy appeals, ensuring both you and your feline companion can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. 4. Loneliness or anxiety. Cats often grow more vocal when they feel anxious or lonely, particularly if their human companions change their routines. If you're usually around during the day and then suddenly absent at night, your cat may feel insecure and start calling out for you. These calls are not just noise. They're a sign your cat needs reassurance that they're not alone and everything is okay. This behavior might escalate in cats that are particularly attached to their owners or those that are not used to being alone. To help alleviate their anxiety, it's important to provide a comforting environment that makes them feel secure even when you're not present. Creating a cozy sleeping area with items that hold your scent can help, as can leaving on a soft light or playing calming music. Spending quality time with your cat before you leave for the night can also help reduce their stress. Engage them with play or cuddles to tire them out and leave them feeling content and reassured. This can make the separation at night less stressful for them, encouraging quieter evenings. 5. Aging changes. As cats age, they can develop cognitive dysfunction syndrome, CDS, a condition akin to Alzheimer's in humans, affecting their memory, perception, and awareness. This deterioration can lead to confusion and disorientation, especially noticeable during the quieter nighttime hours. Such changes in their cognitive state can cause older cats to vocalize their distress as they struggle to make sense of their surroundings, seeking comfort, or simply expressing their unease. This increased vocalization during the night can be particularly distressing for both the cat and their owners. To help manage these symptoms, it's important to maintain a stable environment that minimizes stress for the aging cat. Implementing a consistent routine, providing night lights to help them navigate the dark, and keeping essential resources like food, water, and their litter box easily accessible can help reduce their confusion. Additionally, comforting interactions before bedtime may soothe their anxiety, helping them to feel more secure even as their cognitive abilities wane. 6. Health issues. If your cat has suddenly started making more noise at night, it's important to consider that this could be a sign of underlying health issues. Conditions such as hyperthyroidism, high blood pressure, or even pain can manifest through increased vocalization, as your cat may be trying to communicate discomfort or distress. Monitoring them for other symptoms like changes in appetite, weight loss, increased thirst, or altered behavior is crucial to determining the cause. Scheduling a vet visit is a wise step if you notice these changes, as early diagnosis can lead to more effective treatment. A thorough checkup can help rule out or confirm medical issues, ensuring that your feline friend receives the necessary care to manage any health problems. Addressing these medical concerns not only helps alleviate their discomfort but also reduces nighttime vocalization, leading to a more peaceful environment for both you and your cat. Understanding these reasons can help you better cater to your cat's needs and maybe, just maybe, help both of you get a better night's sleep. Remember, while it's often perfectly normal for cats to be more active and vocal at night, any drastic changes in behavior should be checked out by a professional. Until next time.